Making his way to the ring from Hollywood, California, weighing in at 232 pounds, Goldust!
Erratic, strange. What an entrance. It's mesmerizing. It's intoxicating.
Weighing in at 220 pounds,
If this one lives up to the hype, Byron, we're in for an amazing match here tonight.
There's no reason to think this one won't live up to the hype, Michael. We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE.
Began his career by being known as the Legend Killer. Randy Orton is now simply a legend. And the Viper has shown no signs of slowing down. Just as dangerous now as the day he burst on the scene.
Randy Orton's career wasn't built on alliances. The most important thing to Randy Orton has been winning championships.
from Tokyo, Japan, weighing in at 189 pounds, Earl Z. Lee.
The atmosphere inside this arena for this one is absolutely insane, guys.
And if you think this is insane, just wait until this thing kicks into high gear. You ain't seen nothing yet.
The Nature Boy has entered the building.
And from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 245 pounds, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
A $25,000 robe, a lifestyle that most people could never imagine. It's tough being the Nature Boy.
There's an old saying, if you want to be a star, you gotta look like a star. Well, the Nature Boy more than looks like a star. A lifestyle full of elegance. A lifestyle full of championships. It's all been synonymous under the name Ric Flair.
Private jets, $50,000 timepieces. That's just how the Nature Boy rolls.
He's coming.
And from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, weighing in at 231 pounds, Thunderbolt Michael Knight.
A fighter of steel and shadow.
Listen to this crowd, guys. They're fired up for this one.
As well as they should be. This match has instant classic written all over it.
A man who stands alone against injustice. With every step, he brings justice to the ring. With every blow, he defends what others have long since given up. Rusev Udria, Rusev Machka.
Happy Rusev Day!
And from Bulgaria, weighing in at 304 pounds, the WWE Champion, Rusev.
There's only one holiday worth celebrating 365 days a year. You know what that is, Byron?
I don't know. What is it, Corey?
It's Rusev Day.
There it is.
Rusev Day is a real-life phenomenon, taking the world by storm.
It really is a holiday, Byron. It pops up on my calendar on my phone.
Okay, so no matter how you feel about this made-up holiday, what it has done is provide virtual jet fuel for the confidence of Rusev, who is more driven than we've ever seen him.
And their opponent, from the land of the rising sun, weighing in at 210 pounds, Scorpion.
Byron, are you at all surprised by the intensity level inside this arena right now?
Not the least bit, Michael. This is the one the WWE Universe has been looking forward to for quite some time.
Break the silence, break the chains. Scorpion's world is your endless pain. No mercy given, no second breath. Finish him now, or bring the death. Scorpion is here. My world is your pain.
And man, I never get tired of watching these guys compete.
This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not.
Slam down hard. Boom! Oh, short arm chop. Wait. At the elbow. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Harsh impact. Uh-oh. What a stomp. Good grief. No, that's not right. Somebody do something about that. Ooh. At the elbow. Oh my goodness, crushing it. You're a noggy.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue, but not for a second do I expect him to back down now.
This match is so evenly contested right now that it's almost impossible to pick a winner. I guess we'll just have to settle in and enjoy the action.
Woo-wee. And that one grabs him. I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw. This could be dangerous. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Beautiful technique. Ring rattling.
The mighty Rusev looking a bit surprised by this assault. He may have to start reevaluating his game plan.
This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum.
Nobody controls the pace of a match.
Quite incoming. Whoa, down he goes. That was impressive, Cole.
Oh, harsh impact.
You gotta believe this one's over. What a stomp.
Good grief. When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom, what impact. With the point of the elbow right in the nose.
Jeez.
Oh, nasty impact.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Oh, that hurt right in the kidney. Golly.
Takes him down in a major way, too.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Wow. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like
Big punch finds its mark.
This might be it, guys. Things just went
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. No, he reverses it.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what an uppercut.
Rusev sees the opportunity to go high.
Rampage. Man, it's over.
He's too quick for him there.
Boom. That wasn't just an uppercut, that was 24 carats.
Rusev showing a lot of heart here, but how can...
Oh, to the back of the neck.
This one's over, guys.
But now, can Rusev capitalize on... He's fighting back here. I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what a DDT.
Wow. This just might be enough for him to take the victory here. Does Orton even know where...
Ooh, what impact.
The Viper getting absolutely pounded right now. Randy Orton got the worst end of that stick.
When this guy's on, look out.
Too quick for him there. He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does. And here's Randy Orton showing why he's a master manipulator.
Northern Lights. Oh, this could be bad. This could be really bad.
I think this is the beginning of the end, Michael.
Elbow drop with authority. Nope, reverses it. Incredible impact.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He's making a statement here with this attack.
And Byron, this takes a ton of strength to pull off, am I right?
Oh, you are definitely right, Michael. But you also have to remember how much energy it drains to pull off.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it. Oh, he goes low. If you're not cheating, you're not trying.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
This is beautiful technique.
I don't think this is... That should do it. Rusev is really applying pressure. This might be it. Oh, my. Here's his moment, Michael. Yeah, talk about a bumpy landing. He's definitely got all pistons firing right now. Oh, right to the face. And there it is, boys.
Oh, what a slam.
Oh,
What a slam. That hurt. Boom, what impact. He's in a very bad way here, guys. And I wouldn't be surprised if he had nothing left at this point.
guys, I don't think he possesses the ruthlessness needed to be successful outside of the ring, which really begs the question why he's been out there so much. This has been one of the... What a cover! The Viper strikes again. I love it. Harsh impact.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Oh! This might be it. Oh, my.
A knee drop.
Randy Orton playing it up, but I'm not sure it's the right time or place.
Rusev's nailed it.
I don't think this is how Goldust... Nasty impact. I don't think this is how Goldust saw this thing playing out. But now, can Rusev capitalize on this? Oh boy, he is rolling. Beautiful technique. Boom!
Gentlemen, Goldust may be fading away here. I wouldn't be surprised if he just passes out right here.
He is hurt. He's in tough shape, guys, and there's absolutely no room for error now.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Nobody controls the pace of a match.
Oh, a rear super kick! From behind, nasty. I don't think this is how Goldust saw this thing playing out.
A striking blow.
Boom. Super kick!
And here we go now, elbow drop.
And here comes Orton. Ooh! Goldust picking his spot, picking his moment. Curtain call. That was beautiful. Can he finish him off here?
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Boom! That wasn't just an uppercut, that was 24 carats. DDT! Lights out.
No, reverses it. And there's the reversal from Rusev.
Oh, he goes down hard. Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now. What impact. The Bulgarian. You gotta believe this one's over. That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys. This might be it. Oh, my.
Goldust stumbling a little here.
Oh, what impact. The Bulgarian. That might just be the final nail in the coffin. This is Rusev's match now. Beautiful technique. Game, set, match. This one is vintage Randy Orton. This one is over. Nobody gets up from that, Cole. Final cut. Just when you thought he had nothing left. Drop kick with precision.
Can he finish the job?
Oh, a shin breaker.
Gonna be hard to walk after that.
Woo!
Calling it, looking for the win.
And Randy Orton just slips out of harm's way.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. He's looking a little weary here. Guys, this is where we find out what he's made of.
But the question is, how much energy does his opponent have left? My guess is not much, given what we've seen him go through so far in this match.
He looks for it one.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Momentum is fully in the corner of Randy Orton now. Oh boy, he is rolling. Nailed it.
He's on the defensive now. He doesn't want to let this match get out of control, guys.
Guys, at this point, I'd be shocked if his opponent is able to complete this comeback. Boom! Yeah, he's there! That was vicious. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Randy Orton got the worst end of that stick. Success breeds success, and he's definitely having some right now. And Randy Orton just slips out of harm's way.
Catch, suplex.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Drop kick.
Oh, great height.
Gentlemen, Goldust may be fading away here. It just doesn't seem to be his night tonight, guys. That's over at this point.
For a while there, it looked like he was going to take this match. It's amazing how quickly things can change here in the WWE.
Just carrying the opposition here.
But you can't carry your opponent all day. You got to make a move eventually. And here comes the big Bulgarian.
Look out. Oh, and a rear super kick. From behind, nasty.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
Elbow drop, big time.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Showing off some of his speed there. He's stumbling some now. He doesn't want to absorb much more punishment if he wants to win here.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine. Oh, what a crash.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And one more. Oh, what a right hand.
But can he follow up here?
My goodness, that connected.
Randy Orton, no problem in getting out of that one. He wants no part of the outside. Oh no,
Destroy your face. The Viper strikes again. I love it. Orton better not waste this opportunity. Now it's time to capitalize.
He's looking a little off balance. This is not where he wants to be right now, guys. Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what impact. Here we go a second time.
Thunderous slam.
The Nature Boy is in a tough spot here.
He wants no part of the outside. Bringing it back into the ring.
Setting up for a neckbreaker. Here's his moment, Michael.
This could end. You gotta believe this one's over.
I'm not sure how much he has left.
Stop pulling leg snap.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
What a strike.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Neckbreaker.
I don't think this is how Goldust saw this thing playing out.
You'd think one of these times this move would actually end the match. He's definitely got all pistons firing right now. Yeah, he's one of the most energetic performers in WWE history.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. He's looking a little wobbly here, guys. Counter here. He wants no part of the outside. He's in full control now. Oh, leg sweep.
Nicely done.
Standing drop kick.
Great ups. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over. Oh boy, he is rolling.
What a strike. Not so fast. Here he goes. Drop kick.
I don't think this is how Goldust saw this thing playing out. Does Goldust even know where he is?
He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Late in the match, and he has scored. Looks like he's starting to falter. And at this point, how much more does he have to give? He goes down hard. Look at this. Dodges a bullet there. And that's it. The final cut. When this guy's on, look out. Irish whip. Looks like Ric Flair is fading here. Guys, he's going to have to turn things around quickly if he wants to win this thing.
The bottom line here is that despite what's going on right now, he's never That's what he was looking for, Michael.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Oh, nasty impact.
Harsh impact.
Goldust beginning to breathe a little heavy now. He can't be happy with how this is going right now.
Sure, he'd rather not be on the receiving end here, but let's not lose focus of the fact that he's in far better shape than his opponent right now.
He's looking right to the back of the neck.
That might have done it, Cole.
The curtain call! That has got to be the elbow!
We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
Final cut! This one is over.
The force of that impact should put an end to this match right here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and he dodges out of the way.
Ooh, what impact.
the steps.
That'll make you reassess some things.
I don't know how much more of this he can take. You have to wonder how much longer he can go on like this.
This one could go either way, guys. It might just come down to which superstar is the next to make a mistake. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Uh-oh. Boom! It wasn't just an uppercut, that was 24 carats.
Looks like trouble here, Byron.
I don't know. I guess that all depends on who you're rooting for.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Whoa, it's another reversal.
I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like that.
Backbreaker.
Flawlessly executed. Game, set, match. This one is over. How in the world is Flair going to remain alive?
Ooh.
Uh-oh. What a neck breaker.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Oh, what incredible power. Wow.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Orton better not waste this opportunity.
Oh, bell clap.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron. Nature Boy is going on Naturel on him. Oh, what a forearm.
Looks like he's starting to tire. It appears his opponent has his number right now.
Man, he was making it look easy there for a moment, which is pretty impressive considering who he's in the ring with.
He's definitely got all pistons firing right now.
Whoa, Rusev dodged that one. Oh boy, he is rolling. KO punch.
Right across the back of the neck.
That has got to be it.
Rusev's
Debilitating elbow drop. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
By now.
Curtain call. That was beautiful.
Put it in the books. We're looking at yet another win for Goldust here.
Oh! And if he hits this one's over.
And no luck against Flair there.
Are you surprised?
A quick reversal by Ric Flair.
This continuing to punish them.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Does Goldust even know where he is?
And he's heading, and that's it. The final count.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Now he's working that exploit.
Slam with authority. That's what he was looking for, Michael. Things just went from bad to worse for Goldust. Oh boy, he is rolling. Wow, I thought he was a goner.
He's definitely got all pistons firing right now.
Oh, look. Oh, the rear super kick.
From behind, nasty. What a comeback. Boom.
Back and whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
He's in a bad spot, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if he hightails it through the crowd. You should go with him, Bob. Oh, right to the body. That hurt.
Here's his moment, Michael.
I think that one will finally do the trick, guys.
And it's reversed.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Elbow drop.
Piercing. To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
Not good for the back and body.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Nailed it.
The quick reversal there by Randy Orton.
Oh, what an uppercut. Oh, what impact.
Goldust stumbling a little here. This very well may be too much for him to handle.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
Well, it'd be unrealistic to expect him to not at least take some offense here. The good news for him is that he still appears to be in a better place than his opponent. Oh boy, he is rolling.
And what a reversal from Rusev.
Oh, he's such a tough target.
Here comes the big Bulgarian.
absolutely exhausted. Maybe no coming back from this.
I'm not sure he has much left. Oh, man, he has plenty of reason to be concerned here, guys. But you know what? So does his opposition. This is about as close as it gets.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Unceremoniously deposited down.
This one's over, guys. Goldust gets out of the way quickly.
Backbreaker. Neckbreaker.
I don't know if Rusev could take much more of this.
Nasty drop.
Harsh impact.
Looks like Rusev's in a bit of trouble here. I don't think this is how he envisioned this match going here tonight.
He's looked great up until now, and it's imperative that he doesn't lose focus and let his opponent back.
Oh, nasty impact.
But he's got a counter over and finds its mark. That should do it. Oh boy, he is rolling. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Hooked up, and
he's on his heels. If he's not careful, this can snowball out of control for him in a hurry.
It looks to me like he may have lost focus there for a minute. He was really cruising for a while.
beautiful technique.
Dropped, and that was a hard shot, Corey.
Yeah, you might want to think about throwing in the towel at this point.
Point of the elbow, nailed it.
Great agility.
And Randy Orton just slips out of harm's way. And no luck against Flair there.
Are you surprised? This might be it.
Oh my.
I don't think there's any coming back from this type of assault. It's about as bad as it gets for him.
This is all but over.
Let's remember though, guys, his opponent doesn't seem to be in great shape either.
When this guy's on, look out.
What a stomp. Good grief.
Rusev looking completely drained now. He's absolutely running on fumes right now. Back in from the floor. He's not going to like this.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Randy Orton, no problem in getting out of that one.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left?
Counter here.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Goldust gets out of the way quickly.
Uh-oh.
Momentum.
Oh, a rear super kick.
From behind, nasty.
This one is over. Does Goldust even know? Oh, man.
Backbreaker.
This one's over, guys.
Well, if it didn't work the first several times.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. We've seen this before.
Set down with a brain buster. That'll scramble your brain.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys. Does Orton even know where he is?
No, there's the reversal.
Setting up for a
Neckbreaker.
Wow, what a gritty performance.
What a slam.
Impactful. Jar your spine. Beautiful technique.
Now Randy Orton seems to have lost a step or two. And at this point, you have to wonder if he can recover from this.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Scoop slam. Neckbreaker.
That has got to be it.
Rusev stumbling a bit here. His hopes of winning this match appear to be dwindling in a hurry.
The truth is, though, he's in far better condition than his opponent, which has to account for something going forward here. And now Rusev is showing them how they do it in Eastern Europe.
Here is your winner, Rusev.
Talk about having to dig down deep to pick up the win.
That's a big win right there. Anytime you can pin another WWE competitor's shoulders to the mat for the 3 count, you should be proud.